Hello everyone, today I'm here with the first ever voiceover for an eye makeup tutorial. I'm going step by step for this eye look, so let's get started. At first, I'm prepping my eyebrows with a spoolie brush to shape them and filling in those gaps with a elegant brow pomade. I'm using feathery stroke for the natural look. For priming my eyelid, I'm using a concealer from Elegol and blending it well in a dabbing motion with the help of beauty blender. After that, I'm placing a loose powder from Revolution to avoid those creasing and all. Now I'm placing a tip at my outer corner for that sharp eye look. Going for a neutral shade all over my eyelid, and after that I'm taking a dark brown shade at my outer corner, just placing it all, and just right above the dark brown color I'm placing light beautiful brown color and blending it well in a windshield wiper motion for that depth and buffing it all with the blending brush. Now I'm going for a glitters from Forever 52. For that inner corner I'm using eyeliner from Golden Rose, applying the same color as I used before for my lower lash line. To pop up my eye look, I'm applying a white liner from Essence. For mascara, I'm using Note Volume 1 Touch. Now you are good to go. You can try this eye look as any festive season or as a bridal makeup too. Thank you.